Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with a few essentials: updated iOS, the PayPal app, and a verified PayPal account. Once ready, open Apple Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a payment method. Choose PayPal if listed or add a card and select PayPal as a digital card option. Make sure your PayPal funding source is ready, bank, debit, or balance, because Apple will validate it. This gets you into the flow immediately. Follow on-screen prompts to continue the secure link. Once you sign into PayPal inside Wallet, grant the requested permissions so Apple can provision a digital card. Next, complete verification. PayPal may send SMS, email, or request two-factor authentication. That proves you control the account and avoids later declines. After verification, accept the terms and allow Apple to tokenize your PayPal funding source. This creates a secure device-specific number for payments. Take a moment to review default payment order, so Apple Pay uses PayPal when you expect it to. Finish by testing. Tap your device at a terminal or use Apple Pay in-app and select PayPal. If the payment succeeds, you're done. Apple now routes through PayPal securely. If it fails, check funding sources, open the PayPal app to reauthorize, then remove and re-add PayPal in Wallet. That often fixes provisioning errors. If problems persist, restart the device and update iOS and both apps. Only then contact PayPal support with specific error codes. That speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.